Welcome back to another day of diving at Cape Vidal. The ocean is calm and the water is clear. It promises to be a good day. Today I'm once again joined by Koos Jordaan and Piet Botma. Myself and Piet took a dive down together. Piet was lying at the bottom and I was just above him. But we didn't see much around. As it started to ascend, a small couta suddenly dashed in to check us out. It darted left and right, and after a few moments of its antics, I got tired of waiting. I took the shot mid-body before it could escape, quickly landing the fish.
Daar wel een kleintje.
I was drifting along with a flasher when a big GT came straight up to the flasher to have a look. As the Trevally closed in, I stayed steady, doing a small duck dive, watching its movements carefully, waiting for the right moment. And when the moment was right, I made the shot. Clean and precise, making it count.
Right hoor, Koos, die dag is goed. Die dag is goed. A GT, stone shot. Huh?
Zijn kleiner is jou niet.
Ik weet niet.
Kijk, niet zo groot.
Ik is blij dat ik toch geen stuin hoor. Fuck it.
Dit is ook veel hoor. Eerlijkheid. Hier is jouw lucky week.
Wel 'n bietjie op. Worstdood.
Ja.
Alright, die dites, hè. Gooi sommer nie hek.
As the day was quieting down, we reset the drift. Suddenly, a wahoo appeared. I managed to get a shot off and the fish bolted away. I swam hard following it. And out of nowhere, some busy shark came in, trying to steal my catch. I shouted to keep it away and it backed off, only to circle back and come check me out. The line was barely holding, hooked just on the tendons of the fish's back. Luckily the wahoo was small enough that I could quickly land it and get clear of the shark.
Ja, fuck my. Trek 'n bietjie daar. Ja, daar die flasje het gekom. It's a mooi size.
So 'n bietjie op Koos.
Ja.
42.
Ah, sy.
Thanks for joining me on this dive at Cape Vidal. It was a day of quiet moments and sudden surprises beneath the surface. Until next time, stay safe and keep diving.